Okay, so I wasn't expecting this, but Cubot has announced its first gaming device. The name of the device is the Cubot MAX 5, and it's a 5G smartphone. It is not a rugged phone, it's a normal smartphone, but it's a very powerful smartphone, and its primary purpose is gaming. Now this smartphone is equipped with very nice features. Not just nice, very impressive specs and features, and of course it's going to be available for a very affordable price, but I don't know its official price yet. Now let's look into its top details. Now the phone has a really large 6.95-inch full HD plus IPS LCD display. It's almost 7 inches, guys. It's amazing, and the best thing about this display is that its refresh rate is 144 Hz, guys, not 120 but 144. This is equivalent to the refresh rate of many top tier smartphones, guys. Gaming will be smooth thanks to its high refresh rate, and of course for performance the device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 with a clock speed exceeding 3 GHz, which is a very powerful 5G processor with an Antutu benchmark score of over 900,000. That is why this phone is called a gaming device, guys. It's a gaming phone, so if you need a very cheap gaming device, you might want to try out the Cubot MAX 5. Anyway, the phone has a 5100 mAh battery, and it supports 33 watts fast charging, which is impressive. It also employs what we call a liquid cooling technology, which helps to cool the device and help reduce heat when gaming. And of course the Dimensity 200 is a 4 nanometer processor, which means that regardless of what you're using this device for, including gaming, the processor won't actually generate crazy amount of heat that would make your device warm up and of course drain battery life. Instead, it's going to produce less heat and save lots of battery life, guys. Impressive. The phone has 12 GB RAM, and it supports up to 12 GB virtual RAM expansion, and its internal storage is 256 GB. The device also boots the Android 14. At the back of the phone is a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 100MP primary sensor, a 5MP macro lens, and a 0.3MP auxiliary lens, and its front facing camera is 32MP. Other features includes NFC, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, Bluetooth 5.3, dual 5G support, OTG, Wi-Fi 6, and so on, guys. So these are the top features of the Cubot MAX 5. It's a very nice smartphone, and it is gonna be among the best affordable gaming devices of 2024. So feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.